Features. I'm Nick. Today we're installing our body mounts on our 27T, and we've already fabbed them up, and all we need to do is weld them on the frame, so enjoy this short video. Alrighty, at this point the frame we've got level side to side, forward to aft. Right now you can see me cleaning up the spots where we're going to weld. I've already got it marked on the frame for where our body mounts need to sit, and we'll have to get our body mounts pretty much flush and level with the top of the frame rails, and you'll see a closer bit of that here coming up. Right here you can see me mocking up the body mounts on our frame. I'm using a C-clamp to go ahead and get them in position of where they need to sit. And also I like to see how it looks before it's going to be fully welded on the frame. This is the point where we get to weld them in. Blake's gonna go ahead and make sure that they're level. Use his bubble leveler. You can use a dial indicator. Really no matter, just make sure that it's sitting level and flush on the frame. They're welded in. Well, another project done on this frame. We had a great time doing it. We hope you enjoyed it. Give us a like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and we'll see you the next time.